Hey guys, back here again with part 2 of my Kids Next Door TCG Operation Super Evil booster box break. And got the last 12 packs here, so let's get right into it. Alright, start out with Official Gun, Don't Call Me Toots. There's Rare Poodle, number 4, 30 Teen 7, Beach Bum, Candy Pyramid, and a sticker and checklist. Alright, we got Brain Eating Zombie, Super Sofa, Toaster, Totally Gross, Rainbow Monkey Fan, that's our hollow, awesome, awesome, Fortress Stomper, Chocolate Volcano, a sticker and checklist. Alright, we have the go. Hey guys, sorry about that, my battery on my camera died, so I'm just going to finish up on my iPad here. So go over that last pack. We have Hang On, Leaky Lenona, Nigel of Borg, Common Cold, Central Cape Core, and the sticker and the checklist. Alright, we got number 430 Teen 7, Stank, Girlfriend, Giftimus Prime, Tapioca Cannon, Fly Guy Hospital, sticker and checklist. There we have Stank, Ice Cream Crusader, Decoderant, Jump Kick, and there's a hollow there, really cool looking. You can really see the sparkle on it. And there's Itsy Bitsy, Jungle Gym, sticker and checklist. At least I'll have all the checklists now. It took me forever to get all 5 for the other series. There we have Girlfriend, Giftimus Prime, Tapioca Cannon, The Jets, Rainbow Monkey Kong, Boarding School, sticker and list. So, I really like the pack artworks on these. They're really cool looking. So, there we got the Official Gun, Don't Call Me Toots, the Rare Poodle. There's really cool Father Hollow. That's really awesome looking. And there's Hoagie P. Spank-A-Lot, number 4 Stomach, and the sticker. It's a really awesome looking father card. I really like it. There you have the Go-Getter, the Stambulance, Hang On, Leaky Leona, Nigel of Borg, Wallaby Spank-A-Lot, Long Lost Library, and the sticker and list. And there we have Jump Kick, Robo Bradley, Lunk. And there's Long Dumb Silver. There we have a hollow, Mr. Fizz. Really cool. Fearless Leader, an Arctic Training Base. Let's see, we got 3 more packs to go, so let's hope for some more hollows. And there's Boyfriend Helmet, Head Nurse, Evacuation Plan X42, Zombie Nerds, Rebootinator, Colossal Cat, Haunted Treehouse. Oh, I was going to say, where's the sticker? Right there. Alright. There we have Boyfriend Helmet, Head Nurse, Evacuation Plan X42, Zombie Nerds, Rebootinator, Kooky Spankulot, Hospital, and sticker and list, and here is our last pack. Let's see what we get. We have Were-Poodle, number 413-7, Stank, Ice Cream Crusader, Decoderant. There's our Hollow Barnstormer, Jungle Gym, our sticker, and our checklist. So, pretty good pulls. We got some hollows here. We got Mr. Fizz. We got Father, which I think is an awesome card. Great White Asparagus, which is really cool. And Rainbow Monkey Fan. So I'm going to go over my other hollows. We got Lice Queen, Cresonic Spear, Chick Magnet, and the Wrestler. Alright, well that will do it for my Kids Next Door TCG Operation Super Evil box break. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you later.